Baby Shark is getting a feature-length movie in 2023. Do. That's not how you say that. Do. Baby Shark. Do. Yeah, okay. Yeah. All right, let's not. We don't have to have my rendition of this thing. This thing blows my mind as far as why this. Like, why was it that specifically that was so, the transmission of that signal was so effective specifically, or was it timing or what? But, the YouTube kids, or how can we, anyway, it is absolutely a mega hit. To say it's a mega hit is an understatement. 10 billion views on YouTube. The viral mega hit Baby Shark is the most popular video in YouTube's history. It'll become a feature-length movie for the Paramount Plus streaming service in 2023. The movie, first reported by Deadline, was announced Tuesday by Brian Robbins, the chief content officer. Yeah, because there's other sharks in the thing. You got Baby Shark, there's Grandpa Shark, there's Mother Shark, there's all these sharks. So I guess it's going to be loosely connected to the song, but I would assume these sharks are going to have personalities or whatever. They're just banking on the IP there. Mm-hmm. Listen, dude, if you start to look at the kid stuff, I'm amazed at the business models and how social media is driving trends that go beyond social media, like the things that kids are exposed to. Like, I think I have a Baby Shark plate in my house.
Oh yeah.
Where did this plate come from? Who put this plate there? I didn't buy this plate. I'm pretty sure it came out of an iPad somewhere. It was printed, 3D printed out of an iPad. Someone clicked a button, and then now I have a Baby Shark plate. So the merch is just, it's not even merch. It's just entire product lines. And I guess it wasn't all that different for us. You ever heard of Ninja Turtles, Will?
Yeah, big fan.
I thought so, man. I actually recently got my daughter into it. She put on those engine turtles.
So cute.
Put on the engine turtles.